Friends, today I am thinking about artichokes. They can come in a jar, can, they can be fresh. We have done many applications with both preserved and fresh artichokes, and I'm making a beautiful platter. Imagine you're at a dinner party, you've been invited by someone fabulous, and you come across this plate of artichokes and sauteed spinach of all different ilks, and you pick up the pieces that you want to have and enjoy them. So we have the petals of the artichokes, we have the hearts of the artichokes, they've been grilled, and we're creating something that's a little bit sculptural, a little bit edgy, a little bit delicious. It's a very few ingredients. It's not vegan because in this case we do have a sauce that has mayo in it. There's a little bit of a curry taste, and it's just a delicious thing to come upon in the line at the buffet at a dinner party. And also we're gonna finish it with these crispy, delicious little sunchoke chips that we're gonna scatter throughout our platter. Have you ever had a sunchoke? It tastes like an artichoke. So we took just 2 little sunchokes, put them through the mandolin, and then fried them up. They're crispy and salty, and they're an excellent addition texturally and taste-wise for this platter. So artichoke season is spring and fall. I actually don't know the answer to this. Do you guys know what artichoke season is?
Oh, you think it's a 2-season vegetable?
I know how to find out, I can tell you that much.
Our goal was to...
So artichoke season, we're just starting it. It's March through May, and we want to serve lots of different types of artichoke applications. So we have grilled, we have artichokes that came from a jar, so we've grilled even those after, or we've roasted them in the oven. We have the petals of the artichokes, and we have a beautiful aioli with mustard and a little bit of curry. I know it sounds strange, but it's super delicious. You know what, I feel like this needs a little bit of green. So when we're thinking about making menus through the spring, that would be graduations, birthdays, Mother's Day, Easter. We want to think about what we have. So peas, asparagus, artichokes, lettuces, the end of the winter lettuces, beautiful spinach, arugula, so many gorgeous things. I'm sensing a theme. I think it's good. I mean, in my mind, these platters are on a buffet, you know?